this is our last day in the house. We're off, ready to go, ready to do life in the best way we know.
We are the Almo family. We watched other people explore the world and have adventures, and we knew that that's what we wanted to do too. So we did. Here's our story. Subscribe for inspiration and escapism.
Today I should be excited, but I'm just like, I think all the best things always do make you a bit nervous before you do it, and you do have this, are we doing the right thing? Have I done everything? And you're so busy that probably when I get in the car, I'll suddenly stop and think about it a bit more and realise the enormity of this, and that actually we don't know when we're coming home and we don't really know where we're going or what we're doing. And I think it's probably right that I'm feeling a bit nervous today and my head's hurting and everything, but it's also behind all of that is a lot of excitement and stuff, and that will all come through, no doubt. Probably not until we're like sitting on the plane. Yeah, it would be easy to stay here, but that would not make us happy in the long term. So we're gonna do what we always said we would do: go for it, live life, and do the things that we want to do. So here goes. Mission, get rid of the car.
She served us well.
She has. So that's the last of our possessions gone. Didn't get as much as we were hoping for, but...
Guy was walking past when we were waiting outside and got chatting, and he wanted to buy a car for his friend. So yeah, we got some cash.
I think he got a bargain as well, so we can feel good about that.
Yeah.
I am tired now. I think it's because my body's like, you can start relaxing soon. Had a few check-ins and check-outs in the house since we've been at my parents', and they've gone relatively well. A few little things I hadn't forgot about, but the people that are looking after it are incredible, so thank you so much for that. I'm going to show you the state that we're in. So this is to stay and this is to go. Are we going travelling right now?
Yeah! Yeah! Whoa!
See you in Croatia.
Daddy's already at the airport, isn't he? Are we going to find him?
Yeah, and he's drinking.
Got our taxi service.
Coffee.
He's drinking coffee without us.
He's starting his life.
How are we feeling this morning?
How are we feeling, children? Good. Good, I'm excited.
Come to the wrong apartment. So, head back up this way. Come on, muscles. We made it! Woo! We haven't seen the view yet, which is obviously a big one. The taxi drive was absolutely stunning, wasn't it? And landing was just...
The taxi driver?
Not the driver. He was alright. But I actually mean the taxi drive was so beautiful. So much water. The taxi drive. He was good though.
Right.
Definitely recommend them. They were amazing, weren't they?
Really good. Very friendly.
And now we've found the right spot.
Where's the toilet?
And we obviously need to do all the, we need to find toilets and things. We're going to head on round. We got here. Hiya. So I'm checking in from Croatia. It has been a very long day of travelling, but everything has absolutely gone to plan. The children were pretty good in the airport, and
There was no delays and everything just kind of went really well. It's a good start. I'm feeling incredibly overwhelmed by the fact that we are actually doing what we set out to do. So 2 years ago we decided we were going to travel as a family. We weren't really quite sure how we were going to do it, where we were going to go or anything like that. And I am sitting here today on a beach in Croatia without a return ticket. No idea what countries we're going to go to or when we're going home. I'm feeling overwhelmed by that, but also incredibly excited that we are following the things that make us happy and exploring together, seeing the world, getting more time outdoors together and really kind of living to our values. And sometimes doing the things that make you happy sounds a bit selfish, but also I very much believe like if I'm happy in myself, then I'm better for the people that I love and also for other people in the world. Here's to a lot of adventure, a lot of exploring. I'm hoping to keep a weekly vlog of our travels and our journeys. Super appreciate anyone that wants to subscribe. So do the things that make you happy and I will see you soon.